Best ways for students to earn money online. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the best paying online jobs for students who have a knack for writing and possess good grammar and research skills. You will only need a computer with the internet. As a student, you can find writing jobs on various writing job and freelancing sites here. Most writing jobs include writing articles, blog posts, and copies for web pages. You will be given a deadline to complete an article. You can pick writing jobs directly from a live job board or have to bid on a job and hope that the job is awarded to you by the relevant client, depending on how the site works. Some sites may require you to take an English grammar and writing test, and some may require you to submit a sample or samples of your work, while others may require you to take a grammar test to evaluate your skills. If you pass any relevant test, the relevant site will let you take on writing jobs. Typically, writing jobs pay per word, article or project basis, or based on an hourly rate.